G'day viewers, Dodger Mohr, welcome. Okay, today's the 15th of December and the missus and I are going out for a half-day ride out to the country. The temperature for today predicted 31 degrees Celsius and it's around about 11:30 in the morning, so it's already warm. So this is a common sight that you see in Victoria, Melbourne, and there's one of the posties at work. I was actually asked to go to work as well, but I'd rather be out there doing a social ride than a work ride. But yeah, back to the roadworks, there's plenty of them. The road conditions in Victoria have been neglected for years and years, and yeah, now they're struggling to keep up with repairs. What a gorgeous view of the Dandenong Ranges from the basin. So lucky where I live, it's so close to get into the countryside. There's this person skydiving or something like that just up there. So the quickest way to get up to the Dandenong Ranges from Bayswater is actually up Mountain Highway. It's a gorgeous ride, a very windy road, very popular for bicycle riders and motorbikes, etc. The missus is behind me, and she's not too fond of windy roads, but the more she travels on them, or the more experience she gets riding on them, the better she will be, the more comfortable she will be. But yeah, so the speed limit going up here is 70 k's. So yeah, it used to be 60, they've increased it now to 70, which is probably a bit more appropriate. So you can see only a 2-minute ride and I'm in an area like this. Absolutely gorgeous. Fern trees and gum trees, the smell of eucalyptus. Absolutely magic. And a nice road ahead. Just stuck behind a car. But that's okay. It's all about an enjoyable casual ride today. So today's ride, we're we've got no destination planned. We're just going out for a ride. Wherever the roads take us, that's where we'll end up. At the moment, we're heading in the direction of Sassafras, and we're not too far from there. From Sassafras, I'm not too sure which way we'll go, but I'll decide when I get to the T intersection. But you must admit, it's beautiful up through here. This is one great road, that's for sure. So if you're from the Victoria or from Melbourne and you're in the Dandenong Ranges, you would have to admit this is probably one of the best roads up in the Dandenong Ranges for motorbike riding. Yeah, it's highly enjoyable. A lot of turns. Anyway, we're in Sassafras and we're going to make a right-hand turn. So we're now on the main road that runs along the mountain ridge of Mount Dandenong, or the Dandenong Ranges. As you can see, there's a lot of bicycle riders around, a hell of a lot. Yeah, and from here we're going to be heading out towards Emerald. So I have to make a left-hand turn around here somewhere. And once we get beyond Emerald, it'll be a bit more country-like rather than what you see at the moment, like a lot more farms and whatnot. So we're in Ferny Creek, and we're going to make a left-hand turn, which takes us down to Sherbrooke. This is a beautiful stretch of road. Sherbrooke Forest to the right of me. Nice big tall gum trees and a lot of ferns. Absolutely beautiful through here. And the temperature's a little bit cooler as you go through areas like this and little pockets. But yeah. Enjoy the ride with me through this section. Gorgeous. In this section of the road from Ferny Creek down to Sherbrooke, the trees are really close to the road, and the road is not very wide. It's absolutely beautiful. It's quite a steep road going down, but yeah, quite nice. And the old hairpin turn here. The message is coming slowly, but getting there. And every time I come along this part of the road, there's always water on the road seeping out from the hills. You can see it running along the sides here in the gutter, and this is probably going to be the first time I've never seen water on the road. Amazing. Oh no, there's a little bit here. There you go. Yep, a bit of water on the road. Nothing wrong with that, it's just that, yeah, moss gathers and can be a little bit slippery sometimes. Okay, this road here, I'm not too sure what it's called. I'll probably put the name of it on the bottom. Oh, here we go. Grand Tully Road. Goes to Menzies Creek. And then from Menzies Creek we can get out to Emerald along the main road again. But absolutely gorgeous riding through here. know what you think. Do you know better rides up in the Dandenong Ranges? I think I've done most of them. Dirt roads and all. Been so close to it, it's my local playground. Yeah, the missus is travelling very slowly today. Yeah, she's a little bit on the tired side. I told her to stay home, but she goes, no, I want to go for a ride as well. So not really recommended. I prefer it if she was a bit more alert and a bit more up for it, but she insisted to come along. So yeah, we might actually stop. I think there's a park at the end of this road, and we might just stop there and see how she's going. Some gorgeous views out towards the valley over here. Can't really see, just get glimpses of it every now and then. Because of the trees, yeah. Had to think which way I was going then. Yeah, off to the right you get some nice views again. I'll just slow right down here. Wait for the missus to catch up to me, and we'll take in the views, eh? Beautiful, isn't it? There she is in the mirror. Don't know if you'll see her, but she's got a car tagging behind her. They won't be too happy. But anyway, I think we'll just pull up somewhere along here and see how she's going. I reckon she's struggling, and we might actually have to go back, but we'll see what happens. Oh, she's behind me now. So we're going to make a left-hand turn. I was going to pull up here, but now that she's directly behind me, I'll keep going. Left-hand turn here, heading in the direction of Gembrook. And this is another nice stretch of road as well. Okay, so I'm just going to pull over here and see what the issue is. Pull up in the shade. You okay? What's wrong?
I saw my arm.
Ah, Tim. Do you want to go home?
Yeah, let's go home.
Okay. You okay to turn the bike? Okay. Yeah, the missus is not feeling too good. She's got sore shoulders and a lot of aches and pain. So I'm going to take her home and probably continue this ride maybe later on this afternoon or another weekend. But most importantly, let's get her home and comfortable. There's nothing worse than yeah, riding with aches and pains, and I don't think her concentration is up to scratch as well, or up to speed. So yeah, we'll just take it nice and easy heading home, and yeah, it's still an enjoyable ride to get back, but we're going to be going the most direct route anyway, so which is via Belgrave and Burwood Highway. So yeah, these things happen. I've been in similar situations with my lower back, when I put the lower back out every now and then when I go camping, motorcycle camping. Nothing worse. So let's just get her home. Yeah, the wife said to me just to continue the ride, but I just want to make sure that she gets home safe and sound. So yeah, like I stated before, I can always do this ride next week. No doubt the weather will continue to be warm and hot because we are entering summer, and they are predicting a very hot summer this year. Tomorrow's forecast is 41, and I've got to go to work and deliver mail. That's going to be hot and fun. You're right. Okay, we're coming close to the historical bridge from Puffing Billy. You might be lucky, you might get to see the train going over. I mean, that would be excellent timing, but most likely not. But yeah, it's an old trestle bridge. Been in plenty of my other videos when I've been out this way. They actually had to lower the road here, but yeah, so vehicles or big trucks could get underneath it. So we're just about to enter Belgrave, and no doubt there'll be a bit of traffic going through the main street of Belgrave. Okay, so this is the main street of Belgrave, and yeah, lady, there's a pedestrian crossing over here, so don't understand that. Why people just have to cross the road when there's a pedestrian crossing only 5 meters away. So yeah, like I said before, it's going to be busy here. Always is on the weekends. And we've got to the left of me the Cameo Theatre. I'm not too sure if they still got it, but they used to have a deck chair cinema out the back where you would sit on the lawn or deck chairs and watch a movie. I'm not too sure if they still got that. Okay, just travelling down the stretch from Upway Tacoma down to Upper Ferntree Gully. Yeah, more or less getting off the mountain once we get down into Upper Ferntree Gully, and yeah, and then we're on follow the Burwood Highway down to Wanturna Knox area and then home. but sometimes you can get good views of Melbourne CBD from here. You won't see it on the camera, it's just that far away. It's probably about 40 k's away, but yeah, be nice to have a house up there, get some gorgeous views of the city and the city lights at night time. Magic. Oh, the missus tooted me again, I think. She's really struggling. But then, you know, once we get onto Burwood Highway, or we are actually already on Burwood Highway, but once we get onto the straight bits, it's just a matter of getting past the street lights and heading directly home. So now into Upper Ferntree Gully, and yeah, probably another 10 k's and we'll be, not even that, we'll be home, and get the missus to settle in, maybe give her a bit of a back rub and arm rub with some deep heat or so. How you going? Okay, we're nearly home. Okay, when we get home I'll put some heat, deep heat on your shoulders and whatnot, okay? Yeah, you can see she's in a bit of pain. Not good. Don't know what that learner driver's doing, but no indicator or anything like that. So I held back just to sit in her side mirror, but I don't think she was using them at all. But yeah, we're nearly in Bayswater. Next set of lights, I'm going to have to make a right hand turn and get the missus home. Okay, this is the last stretch to Bayswater, and yeah, the missus will get home and kick back and relax, and I think I'll end the video here. I was actually going to go back out again, but it is getting warm. It's already around 30 degrees, and the heat of the day is around 2 to 3 o'clock, maybe even on to 4. So yeah, I'll save the country ride for another week or another weekend. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my rides. Hopefully next weekend we'll get out and do a bit of a country ride, but otherwise take care, and yeah, we'll see you on our next ride. Thanks for watching.